Hello everyone, I am Umadat and I am going to teach you today what is semiconductor and everything regarding that. So my topic is semiconductor. The word itself is combination of two words, semi and conductor. It is so easy to understand what is semiconductor. First, going in very brief, I just need to inform you that semi, you already know that semi means what? It is of what? Half. Semi means half, or in this topic you can clarify semi as a meaning of partial. The much important meaning and the much important need for this topic is semi meaning partial, and conductor, it is not a very unique topic or it is not something very different, because you already have studied in your earlier classes that conductor means any material which is conducting. So conductor, it has come into the picture because there are several materials around us which has some properties, and according to their property of conduction we can define material in three categories, that is conductor, insulator, and one of the much important which we are going to study is semiconductor. So before telling about semiconductor, I am just giving you a brief knowledge of conductor. Conductor means a material which can conduct what? Conduct electricity. Conduct electricity means if any material which is able to conduct electricity on giving a potential difference. Like electricity, we have already studied in physics, in electricity and magnetism, that electricity is conducted when a material or when any device is connected with a battery, and the electron itself flows in opposite direction. Electron flows in opposite direction, and due to the flow of electron in opposite direction, there is a flow of current in the reverse direction of electron flow. So when we are giving a potential difference, the electron starts to move in right hand side, and the current starts moving in left hand side. So what do I mean to say is that this is conductor material, because on giving a very small potential difference, it starts conducting. But the same case is that insulator, if we are giving a potential difference, a very high potential difference, then also it is not going to conduct, because the main condition or the main reason for that is there is no flow of electron, or I mean to say there is no free electron. In insulator there are no free electrons, and in conductors there are free electrons. The main reason of conducting of conductors is they are having free electron, and the main reason for insulator not conducting is there is no free electron. And the middle or the mid of two, or the combination of two, is one more material which is found in our nature, is semiconductor. So before going in detail semiconductor, I just need to inform that semiconductor or examples of semiconductors are silicon and germanium. Two basic or two most important semiconductors are silicon and germanium. So what is semiconductor? I have already discussed that semi means partial, conductor means conducting material, or the one which can conduct electricity. So semiconductor means partial conductors. Partial conductor, what do I mean to say partial conductor? Partial conductor is semiconductor or free electron, but they are not free as such. There is no free electron. I mean to say there are free electron, but they are not as such that in case of conductor, but we can generate free electron with the help of high potential. With the help of high potential we can generate free electron. What do I mean to say with that? Is that when we give energy to any semiconducting material, if the energy is of somewhat high value, then it can start conducting. Means if at room temperature it will not conduct, like conductor can conduct at room temperature, but semiconductor will need a high amount of energy. So semiconductor starts conducting with having a what? High energy. When we are providing a high amount of energy, then it can start conducting. What is high energy in day-to-day life? Right now we can say high energy means high heating. The basic entity which we get of high heating, the basic entity, what we mean to say on giving energy in real life, or in general way we can say, if we want to give some energy to any material, means we are giving heating or we are providing heat. So on amount of providing heating, we can make a insulator or we can make a semiconductor as a conducting material. So this is basic definition of semiconductor, conductor and insulator.